Alright, so in this quick video of Windows Nexus, I am going to talk about one of the most common problem that you are already facing or you might have faced and how we can fix that. So here's the problem. If you can see, I already have opened the software and I'm closing it because I cannot see it in my screen. You also cannot. And now again, if I try to open it up, it is opening, but I don't know where it is going. If I see it here as a preview, I can see it, but where it is. So let's see how we can fix that. So in order to fix that, what we need to do is we need to press Alt and space together, and then I'm gonna press M. And sometime what happened is we have defined it for some other functionality, as you can see here. So this time I think I even cannot use Alt plus spacebar. Instead, I need to use method number 2, which is we need to go down here and then we need to make a right click and then I need to click on move. And now you already have clicked on move. Now you need to press your left or right arrow, and what it will do is it will try to move the app within the screen. And initially actually I have pressed right arrow key, so it actually took this even further beyond my screen, and then I realized nothing is coming. Then I press left arrow key and that's how it came in. So that's how guys you can fix this common issue in Microsoft Windows. I hope you find this video helpful. If so, then please make sure you subscribe to Windows Nexus to see more such productivity tips and tricks, and I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.